Right, hi everyone. Well, it has been a long time, probably about a year and a half since I got rid of the Rover, and in that time I have been doing other stuff. I did post on a few photos on YouTube and the community doodah hub thing a couple of days ago. The A60 I done, but I've now purchased an MGB, and I was thinking I might do some more videos again if anybody's interested. So I will start by giving you a little show around. Right, so this car is predominantly bodywork. Mechanically it seems sound. Although I have rebuilt the carburetors on it, which I'm not going to be able to show you now because I've already done them. It's a bit dark. Hang on a minute, I'll see if I can do something about that. Right, that's better. So at least taking these videos on my phone, I can get a bit of light on the subject, which has got to be better for you and better for me. Right, so as you can see, it's got a set of HS carbs on it. The main reason why I rebuilt them, they were the original carbs of the car, because this car come off of a mate of mine, but he'd fitted a set of HIF carbs on, which I've just sort of bolted them back on the manifold a minute ago so I don't start losing any bits, so I can tuck them away in case I ever need them. But anyway, yeah, so as you can see, they're on there. It's got aftermarket K&M filters on it, all the normal stuff, oil cooler, radiator. Like I said, it hasn't got any rot in it. Any of the rot has been repaired, like the seals, all the inner seals, everything. I went right across it, and I can't find any rot. I'm doing the bodywork. I took this down to bare metal around there because this is a common place where they go. So I've done that both sides, and there's no rot there. This wing's only just hanging on there, by the way, but there's nothing to see under there. It's all solid. But I was taking them off really because if I'm going to paint this car, I didn't want to be looking at it twice. The problem I've got is someone at some point put lower rear quarters in it, and I don't know if you can see, but it's only tacked on and it's overlapped. So what I'm going to be doing is cutting it down a bit lower, because there's about that much of the original wing left, about down to there. So I'm going to cut it a little bit lower, and then I'm going to butt weld it all the way along. I've already done a bit of work here, which I need to still finish off and tidy up, because this quarter panel was also low. So there's a well, actually there was no gap, but the gap that was there was full up with filler. So we bought a repair piece and we cut this piece out and we welded that in there. So we got a nice uniform gap around it, which it probably never did have in the factory anyway, to be honest. But yeah, I mean, it's all a long way off, but I've got a new interior kit, like so, new seats, new foams, etc, etc. I haven't got a carpet set yet, but I will be changing the carpet. I say, all in the boot. It's all in very good. Hasn't really been, you know, there's no rust in it at all. Not that I've found anyway. And I think this side's the same. See the trouble is, see all the paint is all like, it's either peeling off or it's crazed. I mean, look at the boot lid. It's all going to be stripped, but this boot lid is a bit grotty. But in the deal with the car, I did get another car with it, which I've already cut up because it was absolutely rotten, the other one. It was way beyond it. But oh yeah, I didn't mention either that it's a 1970 chrome bumper model. So, you know, trying to get it all original. It's not in there now, but it's got the, is it a fish mouth grille they call it? Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what they call it, which was only fitted for a few years in the early 70s. But it's the only other bit of grot I found is down here, which is top quality repair, that is. But that's like, that is the only like repair that I've found that I need to sort out. This corner's alright. See, the front panel's not on it now. A couple of the captive nuts missing, so we can sort that out, no problem. Right, yeah, so that is it. Oh yeah, bonnet's aluminium, so that'll be fun. And it's trying to fall off and kill me now. Oh dear, I haven't got enough hands. Right, let me try and prop that up. That's it. Right, sorry about that. Right, yeah, so I don't know whether any of you want to watch me again or not. We'll try and get it to completion this time, but I don't know how long it'll take. But we'll just have to wait and see. Right, yeah, so like I was saying, this is my new project down there. So if you want to see more, hit that like and subscribe button, and let's see if we can get it done.